Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix my following page on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in TikTok and then tap on it, and once check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down and tap on TikTok, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on offload app. And what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be the cause of your issue. And once that's done, tap on delete app, and once that process is done, try again, and that should probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.